Dear children, welcome back to our English class. In this session, we are going to see the gist of all the three units. Shall we go to the first unit now? The prose of the first unit is Two Gentlemen of Verona, written by a famous writer A.J. Cronin. The story Two Gentlemen of Verona shows that hope and humanity are not lost altogether. Through the story, we could understand there is still power and strength in human emotions and family relationship. We are going to see about two boys, Nicola and Jacopo. They were two brothers. They had a sister named Lucia. Unfortunately, they had lost their father in the war. The sister was found to be suffering from tuberculosis of the spine, so she was admitted in the hospital. The two had to work hard to earn money. They did various jobs to treat their sister. They shine shoes, sell newspapers and fruits, and escort the tourists for sightseeing. They wear torn clothes because they are single-mindedly focused on their sister's treatment. Their dignity and perseverance show their extreme faith in their own ability to cater to their needs. They were a perfect example of sacrifice. The story gives us the message that no matter how many hardships may come in life, we should stand up to it and face it bravely and happily. Next comes the poem The Castle, which was written by Edwin Muir. He was a renowned Scottish novelist, poet and critic. The poem The Castle sums up the unbelievable fall of a castle. The Castle by Edwin Muir is a moving poem on the capture of well-guarded castle. The castle was well fortified and well guarded by loyal soldiers. The soldiers were well armed. They believed that the castle was absolutely safe because their captain was brave and the soldiers were loyal. But there was a wicked cat guarded by a wicked god. He let in the enemies inside the famous citadel that had been known for its secret gallery and intricate path. So, now the strong castle became weak and thin because of the greedy, disloyal warder. The citadel was captured by the enemies for gold. The narrator lamented over the disloyalty of the useless warder and also decided not to disclose this shameful story to anyone. This simple concept is the theme of the poem, The Castle. Shall we go to the supplementary reader now? The title of the supplementary reader is God Sees the Truth but Waits, written by the famous Russian writer Leo Tolstoy. In God Sees the Truth but Waits, we have the theme of guilt, faith, conflict, forgiveness, freedom and acceptance. Leo Tolstoy's story is a parable of forgiveness. The protagonist Aksionov is sentenced to prison for 26 years for a crime he did not commit. He is unable to defend himself. Nobody believes him, not even his wife. So he works hard in prison and he buys many books with the money he earns. He reads and lives a simple life. Instead of focusing on his grief, he helps others and earns their respect in jail. As far as the character of Mahar Semyonich is considered, he is a real convict of the story. But it is revealed only at the end of the story. Somehow, he accepts the murder only after seeing the noble personality of Ivan Mitrich Aksionov. Mahar felt guilty of murdering the merchant and he begs for forgiveness. Though Aksionov came to know that Mahar is a real culprit, he did not try to reveal the truth. Aksionov stayed in jail in spite of Mahar's confession. When the order of release came, Aksionov was already dead. So, the moral of the story is debatable. whether Tolstoy is saying that God will eventually bring justice to every situation or pointing out that justice sometimes arrives too late. Dear children, let's learn the second unit in the next video.